Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a trip to the Philippines and whipping up a delicious dessert called Maja Blanca. It's a creamy coconut pudding with a hint of sweetness and a golden topping that's absolutely irresistible. What is Maja Blanca? Maja Blanca literally translates to white maja, which is a type of coconut pudding popular in Filipino cuisine. It's known for its smooth texture, rich coconut flavor, and that beautiful golden topping called latik. Ingredients: 2 cans, 13.5 ounces each, coconut milk. 1 can, 14 ounces, sweetened cream-style corn. 1/2 cup sugar. 1/4 cup cornstarch. 1/4 cup water. 1/4 cup desiccated coconut flakes, optional. For the latik, 1/2 cup coconut cream. Instructions: mix it up. In a medium saucepan, whisk together the coconut milk, cream-style corn, and sugar. Set aside. Slurry time. In a small bowl, whisk together the cornstarch and water until smooth. This is our slurry that will thicken the pudding. Heat it up. Pour the coconut milk mixture into a clean saucepan and bring to a boil over medium heat. Once boiling, reduce heat to medium-low and slowly whisk in the cornstarch slurry. Thicken up. Keep whisking constantly for about 2–3 minutes, until the mixture thickens and becomes smooth and glossy. Don't stop whisking. Pour and chill. Transfer the thickened pudding to a greased 8 by 8 inch baking dish. Smooth the top and let it cool for a few minutes. Then, cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or until set. The golden touch, latik. Latik time. While the pudding chills, let's make the latik. In a small pan over medium heat, heat the coconut cream until it simmers. Reduce heat to low and simmer for about 30 minutes, stirring frequently, until the mixture thickens and oils separate. Golden goodness. Keep simmering until the mixture becomes a deep golden brown and the oil bubbles become large and sparse. This is your latik. Be careful not to burn it. Cool and crumble. Let the latik cool slightly, then transfer it to a small bowl. It will solidify as it cools, so you can crumble it into pieces. Serving up Maja Blanca. Unmolding magic. Once the pudding is chilled and set, run a knife around the edges of the baking dish to loosen it. Invert the dish onto a serving platter, and gently tap the bottom for the pudding to slide out. If it doesn't come out easily, give it a few more minutes in the fridge. Golden topping. Sprinkle the top of the pudding with the crumbled latik. You can also add a garnish of toasted coconut flakes for an extra touch. Slice and savor. Cut the pudding into squares and serve chilled. Enjoy the creamy coconut goodness with every bite. Tips and tricks. For a richer flavor, use full-fat coconut milk. You can substitute fresh corn kernels for the cream-style corn, but be sure to drain them well before using. If you don't have latik, you can use store-bought macapuno or toasted coconut flakes as a topping. Get creative. You can add other ingredients to your Maja Blanca, like chopped mangoes, pineapple, or even cheese. So there you have it, the delicious and easy recipe for Maja Blanca. This Filipino dessert is sure to impress your family and friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more yummy recipes from around the world. Happy cooking, everyone!